जिओ ट्रू 5G आता गोंयांत. पणजे गोंयची राजधानी मंगळारा जिओ ट्रू 5G नेटवर्काक जोडली. त्याच वेळार जिओन एकाच दिसाक 17 राज्यांतल्यान 50 शारांनी 5G सुरू करून एका तरेचो विक्रमूच केलो. मंगळारच्यान पणजे सयत 17 राज्यांतल्या 50 शारांनी जिओ वेलकम ऑफर सुरू जाल्यात. गोंयांत 5G लॉन्च करपी जिओ पयलो आनी एकमेव ऑपरेटर थारला. RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
The rollout of 5G in India is not an ordinary event in India's telecom history. It carries the keen expectations and the high aspirations of 1.4 billion Indians. With 5G, India will take longer and faster strides towards Sabka Digital Saath or Sabka Digital Vikas. India may have started a little late, but I want to assure all of you, we will finish first by rolling out 5G services across the length and breadth of India. And as an industry, we will ensure that we have the highest quality and the most affordable rates that anyone else has in the world.